Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. In the realm of precision measurement tools, digital calipers stand as indispensable instruments revered for their accuracy, versatility, and ease of use. These sleek devices have revolutionized the way we measure lengths, diameters, and depths in various fields, from engineering and manufacturing to woodworking and projects. A digital caliper is a quintessential tool that combines traditional precision with modern technology, providing instantaneous readings with remarkable accuracy. As the demand for precise measurements continues to grow across industries, the market offers a plethora of digital calipers, each boasting unique features and capabilities. To aid in navigating this diverse landscape, we've curated a list of the top 5 best digital calipers, highlighting their standout qualities and benefits for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're a seasoned engineer, a meticulous craftsman, or an avid hobbyist, these digital calipers are sure to elevate your precision measurement experience to new heights. Number 5. YIYOUBAO ET50 Digital Caliper. The YIYOUBAO ET50 Digital Caliper is a precision instrument designed to meet the demands of woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. As an avid woodworker myself, I've come to appreciate the importance of accurate measurements in every project. With this caliper, precision is not just a promise, but a guarantee. First and foremost, the build quality of the ET50 is impressive. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it feels solid and reliable in hand. This not only enhances its longevity, but also instills confidence in its accuracy. The smooth sliding action further adds to its ease of use, allowing for seamless measurements without any hiccups. Number 4. AIRAJ 1501 Digital Caliper. In the realm of precision measurement tools, the AIRAJ 1501 Digital Caliper stands out as a reliable companion for woodworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. As an avid woodworker, I've come to appreciate the importance of accuracy and efficiency in every project, and this digital caliper delivers on both fronts. First and foremost, the build quality of the AIRAJ 1501 is evident from the moment you hold it in your hand. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it exudes a sense of robustness that inspires confidence in its performance. This sturdy construction ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any workshop. Number 3. Shahe 5112-150 Digital Caliper. The caliper boasts a sturdy stainless steel construction, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion, a must-have feature for tools used in metalworking. Its sleek design fits comfortably in hand, and the well-designed slider mechanism allows for smooth and precise adjustments. The Shahe 5112-150 offers a measurement range of 0 to 150 mm, covering most of my metalworking needs. I particularly appreciate the zero function, which allows me to reset the caliper to 0 at any point along the scale for differential measurements. The unit also features both metric and imperial measurement modes, catering to diverse user preferences. Number 2. Shahe 5150 Digital Caliper. The Shahe 5150 Digital Caliper is a precision instrument designed for metalworking enthusiasts and professionals alike. Offering an impressive range of features and built with quality materials, it stands out as a reliable tool for accurate measurements. One of the key highlights of this caliper is its exceptional accuracy, boasting a precision of 0.02 mm. This level of precision ensures that users can rely on the measurements provided by the caliper with confidence, making it suitable for a wide range of applications where precision is crucial. Number 1. Mitutoyo 500-196-20 Digital Caliper. The build quality of the Mitutoyo 500-196-20 is exceptional. Constructed from stainless steel, it feels robust and sturdy in hand, giving me confidence that it can withstand the rigors of daily use in my workshop. The craftsmanship is evident, and it's clear that Mitutoyo prioritizes quality in their manufacturing processes. One of the standout features of this digital caliper is its ease of use. The large LCD display provides clear and easy-to-read measurements, even in low-light conditions. The smooth and precise sliding mechanism ensures effortless operation, allowing me to make quick adjustments without any hassle. Additionally, the zero function allows for seamless recalibration, ensuring accurate measurements every time. Thanks for watching this video.